Hello everybody, I'm Asma from grade 10. Today I would like to speak a few words on an important topic, characteristics of organisms, in our grade 10 science textbook. The common characteristics of living organisms can be listed out as follows: cellular organization, nutrition, respiration, irritability and coordination, excretion, movement, reproduction, growth and development. First, we will see about cellular organization. The structure of a unicellular organism is made up of the cytoplasm and organelles enclosed by a plasma membrane. This unicellular unit is an organism which shows living characteristics. When a water sample of a pond or hair extraction is observed using a microscope, unicellular organisms can be observed easily. Chlamydomonas, Euglena, amoeba, paramecium. These are appearance of unicellular organisms through light microscope. In a unicellular organism, organelle level organization can be seen. The origin of a multicellular organism is from a single cell, the zygote, which is the product of the fertilization of an egg with a sperm. The bodies of the multicellular organisms are composed of different types of cells. Those cells are important in different functions. This is the organization of different cells in plant body. The smallest structural and functional unit at living condition is the cell. A group of cells modified to perform a specific function is called a tissue. A collection of tissues form an organ. A collection of organs forms a system, and system collectively form an organism. The chart shows the organizational levels of an organism considering the blood circulatory system. Next, we will see about nutrition. The process by which the energy and the materials are obtained for the maintenance of life is known as nutrition. Energy is needed for the cell growth and to repair a worn out structures. This energy is obtained by nutrition. The organisms that produce their own food or the nutrition by themselves are known as autotrophics. Autotrophism can be divided into two categories according to the type of energy they use for food production. If light energy is used, they are known as photoautotrophics. And if energy is obtained by a chemical reaction, they are known as chemoautotrophics. Most of the plants are photoautotrophic. Most bacteria are chemoautotrophic. Production of food inside the chloroplast of plant cell is using chlorophyll, which is a specific organic compound is called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis can be expressed by the equation. The food produced in the leaves gets stored in stems, roots and fruits. Animals are heterotrophic as they utilize food produced by plants or organic compounds with other living origins. The food web shows the connection between these modes of nutrition. Now we will see about respiration. All organisms need energy for their metabolism. They obtain this energy by breaking down of food inside the cell that they have produced or obtained by other means. The process by which the stored food is transformed into energy inside the cells is known as cellular respiration. Cellular respiration is a series of biochemical reactions. The respiration, which is an important characteristic of life, cannot be observed directly, but it can be observed using respiratory movements of some organisms. That is by inspiration, intake of oxygen for respiration, and removal of carbon dioxide, the expiration. Using the experiment, it can be shown that CO2 is released while O2 is observed during respiration. I am showing the experiment, the release of CO2 during respiration. Materials required: lime water, KOH, water, 5 equal bottles with corks, L-shaped, equal sized glass tubes, a frog suction. When water is removed, an airflow occurs from bottle A to bottle E. The color of lime water in B does not change as CO2 in air that enters through P dissolves in KOH vessel A. But after some time, the lime water in vessel D turns to milky white. It is because of the released CO2 by the frog during respiration. A control experiment can be used without a frog in C. Accordingly, it is confirmed that CO2 is released as a product of respiration. The experiment can be conducted again using germinating green gram, paddy, maize, bean seeds in vessel C instead of frog. Next, we will see about irritability and coordination. A change which is strong enough to bring about a response is known as a stimulus. The reactions according to the changes in the environment are known as responses. The ability to respond to stimuli received from internal or an external environment is known as irritability. Communication between different organs during responding to a stimulus is known as coordination. Nerves, muscles, and hormones are important in coordination. Now we will see about excretion. Removal of the waste product from the body that are produced during metabolism is known as excretion. Next, we will see about reproduction. Production of a new generation by a unicellular or a multicellular organism for the continuation of their species is known as reproduction. Last but not least, we will see about growth and development. Accordingly, growth and development can be expressed in 3 steps: irreversible increase in size of the cell, increase in number of cells by cell division, cell differentiation. Now I will wind up my presentation. So, thanks for watching this video.